Hey guys, here I am by the toilet. Do you remember this toilet? Let's do a flashback to what it looked like in a previous video. Yep, that's pretty nasty. So I just cleaned the toilet and I used Yep, that's pretty nasty. So I just cleaned the toilet and I used one of my favorite products, which is Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. I really like the blue one, especially if you have any rust in your toilets, please try the blue Lysol. But after I've cleaned it, still got the dreaded toilet bowl lines. So, you know, what's a quick, easy way to get rid of the toilet bowl line? What's an easy way to film it without a shadow? The Pumice Stone. Do you remember this from a previous video? I just sprayed a little cleaner, that's just an all-purpose cleaner. And now I'm gonna wipe it out. Where did it go? So just a quick, easy thing. A couple things. When you leave your toilet, one of the things I'm big on is presenting it in a clean fashion. If you use the yellow Spic-N-Span, don't leave any yellow in the toilet. I'll let you figure out why. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for learning the Pumice Stone trick. It's really an amazing tool for stuff. You can see some of the other videos up there that why I love it so much. Alright, we will see you next time on How Do I Clean. If you like this corny little video about toilets and you're on Facebook, would you like our page? And if you're on YouTube, please subscribe. We'll see you next time on How Do I Clean? Don't forget to flush the toilet. Don't forget to put enough water in the back of the toilet to flush it.